Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a simple mod for BoneRealm. First, what you want to do is you want to download Unity Hub, but since I've already got it installed I can just launch it. You want to install a specific version of the editor, specifically this one here, 2022.3.21F1. If that doesn't, it probably won't show up in the list when you click Install Editor, but I will link it in the description. Next, what you want to do is you want to go to the link in the description, download BoneRealm-modtool.unity package. Next, you want to create a new project. Make sure you got the correct version selected, and make sure to select 3D cross-platform UIP. This is very important, otherwise it will not work for you. Give it a name like BR mod or whatever you want to call it. Choose your location. Don't need to worry about that, it's just my stuff. Create project. Now you've just got to wait for a minute as it will load up. Okay, now that this is loaded, what you want to do is you want to go down here, right click, hover over import package, click custom package. You then want to go and choose that package that you downloaded, open, and then click import, and next, and import. Now just give it a minute and it will load all of the assets in that you need. Okay, now it will spam out a few random errors in here. Just click clear, you don't need to worry about those. So what you first want to do is you want to go open the Aura folder, then go into UGC and open demo scene. Then you want to hit import TMP essentials. So right here, this is the basic scene that you'll be working off. This one right here, this cube right here, shows where the player rig's going to be, so where the player will spawn. So make sure to put this, make sure to make your actual level is underneath that. Also, do not move this. It doesn't spawn at the position. It's just overlaid, so do not move this. That's just a reference to where it will spawn. So make this your world origin point. Do not move it. Then this is the UI. This is where the leave game button would be to quit to the main menu. What you'll do is where it says UI here, this is the way it would face. Again, do not move this. So what you can do is you can create something like, I recommend sticking it and organizing it like this, sticking it under level like this. It doesn't really matter, but I would recommend organizing it. I'm going to create a simple cube. Just move that up here. Scale that up. Like so. So this is how it should be. You should just make sure so your level's centered around this area right here. Then once you've got all that sorted out, what you want to go and do is delete both of these once you finish making your level, because you already know where the stuff is. Important to make sure to delete it, otherwise the player will glitch out. Go delete that one under UI, and under required delete the rig object. So now you've got a plane like this. What you want to do now is you want to go save it, and you want to go to Tools, Mod Tool, Export Mod. You want to give the mod a name. Type in the author. Type in the version. It has to be like 1 point something for it to work. The description, don't worry about that because it's not used anywhere in the game. Leave all of this on default, and then leave all of this on default. Click the 3 dots here. Choose an output directory for your mod. I'd recommend just putting it in your downloads, for example, creating a new folder, my mod, or whatever you want to call it. Select folder, and then hit export mod. This will take a few minutes, and it's got to compile shaders. Okay, now that it's done, you will see a couple of errors down here. Don't worry about those again. They're not important. So now you're going to do is you're going to check your output directory, and there should be a folder called My First Level or whatever you called it. Inside there should be two folders in a file. This one contains the info, like the title and stuff about your mod. You do not need to edit this. Android contains all the stuff for Quest, and Windows contains all the stuff for PC. You do not need to touch any of those. What you want to do on PC, which I will be pushing a PC build soon, so at the time of this, there is no PC one working, but you'd go ahead and go right click, copy, go to the path that I'll put up on screen right now, which is c/users/your username/AppData/LocalLow/ArpaRec/BoneRealm/mods. And if the mods folder is not there, you can create it. Make sure to keep the capitalization the same, so with a capital MODS. Then you want to go ahead and go paste it in here, and there you go. On Quest, I'll put the path up when I find it, but from my memory, it is from the Quest root directory, Android data com.ArpaRec.BONEREALM files mods, and you should be able to stick it straight in there. Now you do not need to stick any of the Android subfolders, just stick this whole folder into there, because it will automatically recognize it. Now when you load up up into your game, and you hit the hit the button on the mods menu, you should see your mod there. If you don't, please let me know at techside@ArpaRec.dev, and I will try and respond to you to try and fix it. Thank you for watching. Happy modding.